Hey everyone, in my quest to unlock global content and stream without restrictions, I've been testing a ton of proxy providers. And honestly, a lot of them just don't cut it. You run into bans, slow speeds, and frankly, unreliable IPs. But recently, I discovered NodeMaven. What caught my eye is their claim of having 90% clean and safe proxies. That's a huge difference compared to the usual 25% you see with other providers. So, let's put that to the test and see how good these proxies really are. Now, to check proxy quality, we need a reliable tool. I'm using PixelScan's Proxy Checker, a Firefox extension that gives us a clear quality score. You can get it here, on Mozilla Firefox Proxy Checker. Okay, let's jump into my NodeMaven dashboard. I'm generating about 30 to 40 proxies right now. See? Super easy. Now, I'm copying these proxies and pasting them directly into the PixelScan extension. And we'll click Check Proxies. Look at these results. As you can see, the quality level is consistently high. This means fewer bans and smoother streaming. That's what we want. NodeMaven offers high-quality IPs, rigorous filtering, ensuring reliable performance. Affordable pricing, starting at your 35/month, €3.99 trial. Non-expiring traffic, use your data whenever you need it. Try it with a bonus.